Good morning! Hi again! Welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you I don't know if this will be the second batch or the third batch of suggesting to you guys gifts for Father's Day. Now, Father's Day is upcoming, and I'm really excited for you guys to actually give your fathers, but also it's never too late to, or it's never too early also to give your father a nice gift for Father's Day. So yeah, I would suggest for you guys to, think about the gift that you're going to have. That's why I'm going to do this also in advance, or like 3 parts, because it depends on you if you like a specific gift in this list or in the next list. So almost entering to summer is actually slippers or sandals. I think guys would really appreciate this, fathers will appreciate this. Nice summer slippers that are really sturdy. I would really suggest go to the department store. They have so many ones. And if you're going to get sandals, a lot of them are also in Payless. They are really nice sandals right now, and I would really suggest you guys checking them out. I will try to create a vlog in the future for, different kind of references and what they have available in Payless or in other shops in the department store. But yeah, I would really suggest for you guys to get slippers or sandals, because I'm sure they're going to appreciate it. Now, in another one to that you could also check in the mall is actually a tumbler. Now, not all men or not most fathers actually enjoy using a tumbler because they don't really like bringing stuff. We tend to actually bring it, but if you do that, then actually that's a nicer kind of idea. Yeah, because you can pick a color that's not too girly but also, manly enough that they'll appreciate it, and then you'll be bringing it so it still looks great because you're bringing it. But I'm sure that they like, especially right now, you actually really need to have a tumbler to bring to the office when you're going out, because it's super hot. The heat nowadays, it's like too much. I'm already sweating like so much, and my hair is like really greasy already. But yes, I am so dehydrated most of the time, so I tend to like drink a lot of water. So what better way to bring water than a tumbler? You could just refill it if you don't have water anymore. Then the next one is a classic gift for Father's Day is a classy wallet. Specifically leather, but if your husband doesn't like that, then don't get a leather one. But I'm sure it will be nice to upgrade their wallets now. Think about also what they put in that wallet, so that you'll know also what type of wallet you're going to get them. Make sure that you actually think of it, not just, oh, you pull something, oh, it's really nice in leather, and then that's it. No, think about also what they're gonna like. If they like black, why would you give them a brown one? So make sure to think about what kind of wallet they'll like, and I'm sure they're going to appreciate it. Then the next is a belt, a classic leather belt. Now there's a lot of it in department store. They have that like men's section where there's like a really nice leather. You could also check the wallets there. But I would also suggest Uniqlo, because when I went there the other day, they have so many nice leather belts that are classic and clean, and I'm sure they're going to appreciate that type of look, whether it's dark brown or black. Maybe for kind of a different kind of twist to it, try getting them a dark brown one. It's versatile enough, it's dark enough, not too like pale or light brown, but it's also subtle enough and still adds a personality to it. And maybe they add some kind of, if they like silver or the gold type of hardware like brass, think about it as well if they're going to like it, or if they're going to prefer something else. So yeah. And then the final one is iconic socks. I would suggest you guys to get iconic socks because they're really nice. And honestly, I think it will be super worth it that you'll get them those iconic socks, because they're like really funny, or like any character type of socks that are really nice to look at. And try the ones that are like higher on the ankles, or like almost near the knee. Well, not near the knee, like on the leg part, because it's really nice when they're like wearing pants, and then they have that really nice funny socks. And then I think the guys or a father will really like it, and it's nice and comical as well, and fun. So that's about it for right now, the videos right now. It's not too much. It's just nice and few and simple, and you can also get them all in the mall, and they're really nice and easy. Oh, specific. Oh, was this forgetting this is also in Father's Day. I think they'll appreciate a nice jacket. I know it's hot now. I know it's not practical, but especially if you're going to the mall, especially if they're going to like wear a nice, breezy, relaxing, thin type of material clothes when they're going out, and then when you get to the mall, it's really really cold. Try to getting them a jacket that's like versatile enough or for like every day. I'm sure they're gonna appreciate it. And yeah, so that's about it for this video. Those are nice gift ideas for Father's Day. I'm sure you guys are going to appreciate it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to ring the bell. Oh, let me know also on the comment section if you have specific or other specific gifts that you like for Father. Maybe I'll include them, or I would include them on another video. So yeah, bye guys.